Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with iTalki, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with iTalki, begin by visiting the iTalki website. On the home page, look for the sign up option located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create your account. You will have the option to sign up using your email address or through social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Choose your preferred method and fill in the required information. If you choose email, remember to create a strong password for your account. After submitting your information, you'll receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in to iTalki using your credentials. After logging in, complete your profile by adding a profile picture and relevant details about yourself. Next, navigate to the Find a Teacher section to explore available language tutors. You can filter teachers based on languages, pricing, ratings, and teaching styles. Take the time to read through the profiles to find a tutor that suits your learning preferences. Once you find a tutor, click on their profile to check their availability and intro video. If you decide to book a lesson, select a suitable date and time from their calendar. Proceed by choosing your preferred lesson type, such as a trial lesson or regular sessions. After confirming your choice, proceed to the payment section to finalize your booking. Choose your payment method and complete the transaction to secure your lesson. You will receive a confirmation of your booking via email. Before your lesson starts, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet environment. When the scheduled time arrives, join the lesson through the link provided in your email or account dashboard. Engage fully with your tutor and make the most out of your learning experience. After your lesson, take the time to provide feedback and rate your tutor to help other learners. Continue exploring other features on iTalki, such as language exchange and community questions to enhance your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.